Hi everyone, this is Hikvision Floor-Standing Digital Signature. It comes in a touch and a non-touch version. Perfect for retail, showroom and public spaces. More than just a screen, it's a complete 4K signature solution with flexible setup and smart interaction, designed to meet the needs of modern business. You will get the standard accessories, casters, a security lock and everything you need for a quick and easy setup. We adapt a split structure transportation design with the screen body and base separately packed with the same package to save transport space. Once delivered, just connect the two and then add casters and lock as needed. The frame uses an anodized aluminium with a brushed diamond cut finish, sleek and corrosion resistant. All bezels are just 23 mm, keeping the focus on your content. There is no logo and the back is smooth and clean. The unit stands 1.82 cm tall with 360 lockable casters for both smooth movement and solid positioning. It fits perfect in mobile setups like events or in fixed open spaces like mall, lobbies and showrooms, blending in naturally in modern environment. The display delivers a 4K resolution, 500 nits of display, a 178-degree viewing angle and 20% haze. With RG tempered glass and zero gap bending, it cuts glare under spotlights, keeping visuals clear and touch input accurate. It supports 72% NTSC color gamut for rich colors and sharp detail. Whether you're showing product photos, manuals or maps, everything looks vivid and crisp, delivering the clarity and color accuracy for commercial content demands. To fit different scenarios, we offer both touch and non-touch versions. The touch version features a 10-point capacitive sensing for fast, smooth interaction. Zero gap bonding keeps response time low. Whether you're browsing maps, zooming in on products, or filling out forms. To avoid accidental touches in public spaces, there's also a two-finger safety mode. When enabled, users need to press with 2 fingers for 10 seconds to wake up the screen. The wireless design keeps antennas hidden. A built-in physical lock secures core components, helping reduce maintenance. The fanless system runs quiet and supports a 24/7 operation. With scheduled power, HDMI signal detection, auto wake up and overheat protection. It's built for long-term stable use. It comes with an HDMI, RS-232 and USB ports ready for media players, control systems and network connection across different use cases. Powered by Android 13, the Floor-Standing Series runs a quad-core CPU with 4 + 32 GB of storage for smooth video playback. It also includes Hikvision's centralized Central FoxTime platform, which allows users to manage up to 2048 devices. From content updates to system control, it greatly reduces the IT workload. And with the open API support, it's easy to integrate with third-party software platforms. With its smart design and strong capabilities, this digital signature brings outstanding visual performance and easy control to business environments. It helps boost your brand and unlock new opportunities. Looking forward to unlock more value from Hikvision Floor-Standing Digital Signature together.